This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, February 29th, 2012. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system over the middle part of the country, producing blizzard conditions over the Dakotas, Minnesota, and Wisconsin, with some severe thunderstorms over the middle Mississippi Valley down into the southern plains, and another storm over the west coast. Watch warning map from before midnight. Winter storm warnings, blizzard warnings, winter weather advisories across the northern tier of the country, with severe thunderstorm watches, tornado watches, and warnings across Missouri down into Arkansas and Oklahoma. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock shows some heavy precipitation amounts from the Tennessee Valley into the Virginias. Here, just a little bit. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 6 p.m. this evening as this system moves into the Great Lakes states with the low pressure in that part of Wisconsin. Will get wraparound, especially by the afternoon and evening hours, with a few flurries or light snow showers. Temperatures will be falling throughout the day. Wind advisory through the evening. By Thursday, that has moved off, and the winds turn back southerly. Temperatures are back up into the 40s as we get in store for the next system developing over the Oklahoma Panhandle, and that races through here on Friday with the possibility of some wintry mix or a few light snow showers. There could be an accumulation, but it's looking a little less doubtful. By Saturday, that has moved off, and it turns colder with temperatures back into the 30s again, with a few flurries or snow showers to our north and northeast. Same story Sunday. There could be a little bit of snow activity to our east and over the Great Lakes. Here, still cold, still in the 30s to near 40 for highs. But as we begin the new work week on Monday, winds switch around to the south and west. Temperatures are back up into the 40s, maybe even some 50s across the state. So this cold snap don't last long, and we warm right back up. Tuesday, the warm-up continues, with likely 50s across the state. Could see some places may not get to the 50s, but it looks like 50s. We could even see maybe a 60 or two. We'll see. A week from today, on Wednesday the 7th. Trough axis coming through as the new storm system moves in across the middle part of the country, and the warm air comes to a crashing end. Could see some rain, maybe a clap of thunder, and then we could see a switch over to a wintry mix or some snow. But this is still a little ways out. We have a few more days to look at it. A couple days after that, on the 10th, another trough axis coming in with some energy across Colorado into Kansas, and that could bring us a storm system that could bring some thunderstorms to the state with the low pressure in the Siouxland, and any snow will be well to our north and west of us. At the end of the forecast, on the 15th, another storm system with energy, and this one is even further north with energy over the Dakotas and into Minnesota, and that could produce some thunderstorms as well across our area, with some snow across the Dakotas and up into Manitoba and Ontario. But we still have several days to look at this system, and the models could still change, however. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Thursday.